Hey guys, welcome to another video. Dusty here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add and send friend requests with or on the Nintendo Switch. So it's fairly simple, but the first thing you've got to do is make sure that your profile is linked up and set up properly on your Switch. So in order to check on that and to go about that process, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see a little icon. You can see like Yoshi there with the pulsating circle around it. If you select that, and go to your profile, you should see here on your profile page here, it should tell you the games you've recently played, the icon, and you should see your friend code. For some reason, Nintendo went back to the actual friend code system after switching that up last generation, but needless to say, you're still going to have to send out and receive friend codes. So the best thing for you to do is make sure your profile's set up. You may have to go to Nintendo's website to do so, but it's fairly simple. Now, once you've done that, you need to go back to your profile page here, and down below, you're going to see a few different options. You're going to see your friends list. You're going to see your friend suggestions. Now, these may be people that you've played with recently on different games, like you can see here, different people that I've come in contact with playing Animal Crossing Pocket Camp on the iOS device, or if you've played a recent game on the Switch, that should come up here as well. The one that we want to go to, though, is the one here that says Add Friend. Now, if we're here, we're going to see a few different options. You're going to see here that there are multiple ways that you can send and add friends. You can see at the top here, you can see all of the received friend requests. All of those will be listed here. Down below that, you'll see one that says search for local users. This is if you're at an event or if you're out in public and you don't want to mess around with friend codes, you can just search for local users. It'll then go ahead and connect you to that actual network. And then it's kind of a weird system, but you need to select an icon. So let's say you select the green diamond icon, then the other person that you want to add needs to select the green diamond icon as well. I understand why they're doing this. They want to eliminate if there are a ton of people around. They don't want you to be confused, and so they want you to select the appropriate icon. So just have you and your friend choose the correct icon. Next, you're going to see one that says search for users you've played with. Again, this is fairly self-explanatory. Just like I said earlier, people that I've played with recently with like Super Smash Bros. Ultimate and other games that I've played, I can go back and add them if I'm like, oh man, I liked that person. That was a fun match. Let's go ahead and add them. Or maybe you want to talk smack. I don't know. Let's go ahead and go back now. If you want to search with friend code, this is probably the main way of doing so. There are friend code swaps all over the internet. You can select this one here that says search with friend code, and then all you have to do here is basically add the friend code of the person you want to add. So let's say I want to add this guy here that I've already pulled up on a friend code swap. I'll go ahead and type in the, I believe it is a 12-digit number. Yes, 12-digit number, just like it was in previous iterations. And then once you've typed in all of the 12 digits, you'll see the blue OK button come up. Select the OK or press the plus icon, and then it'll show who the person is, and then it'll say, do you want to add them? And then you'll just click on send friend request. It'll be highlighted for you there. It'll say your friend request has now been sent. Go ahead and click that OK button there, and then you are good to go. Now, if you'd like to see what your sent friend requests are, the bottom version here or the bottom option will allow you to click that there. And as you can see, it shows me that individual that I just sent that friend request to. Now, if you want to figure out what your friend code is, it's all over this page. Anytime you're in this little hub here, you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, it says your friend code. Don't worry about the SW. You only want to include the 12-digit number. So if you want to add me, you can type in the 12-digit number there, but you can provide the people that you want to add you with that 12-digit code. And if we go back to our profile, as you see here, that's going to be right there to the right of our profile image, and below our name, it'll say the 12-digit icon, or not icon, I'm sorry, the 12-digit number down below. Hopefully this helped you out. I'll be having a ton more Nintendo Switch tutorials, so stick around for those. Thank you guys, as always, for watching my content, and I will see you guys in the next one.